Here's how to track your steps on iPhone and Android. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can track your steps on iPhone and Android devices. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first step is very simple. Just go to your App Store. And once you're inside App Store, just go ahead and press on search bar and just simply type in pedometer. It's an app which is simply used to track your steps. So yeah, here you can see, just press on get and download this app. It's a pretty great app for like checking your steps and everything. Here, as you can see, you can just, check how much you walk, how much you run, how much your average steps are, and you can pretty much check everything about your walking lifestyle, and it will also show you your trails and everything. I think this app is actually very good. And yeah, just press done, and here as you can see, just open the app and then continue, allow, and here as you can see, now you can just check your workouts and everything. And yeah, now just you can just close the app and it will automatically do the thing for you and do your track your steps. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can track your steps on iPhone and Android devices. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.